My story, the Anita Teller story, is that I would love to make a change in the life of children. This is a letter that I received from a 4th grade student that really touched my heart, and it made me realize the importance of handling bullying. So here we go. Bullying is not cool. I'm bullied a lot. Bullying is ugly. Okay, so draw a picture of a heart on a paper, crumble it, smash it, maybe even tear it. If that was somebody's heart, they were getting bullied. After that, flatten it out, sit on it, tape it. That's the bullying saying sorry, but the damage doesn't go away. This is my story. My parents grew up under Second World War. Norway was occupied by the Germans. And what happened is that after the World War II, and the area had to be rebuilt, but people decided to stick together, to work from their heart, to help each other, and to rebuild themselves, rebuild their hearts, their belief in humanity, and that we really can do something. My childhood was based on the principles that my parents learned during this time. Believe in humanity, make a difference in the world, go out there and teach kindness, go out there and make a change in the world. So my son was born with a cleft palate and a cleft lip, and he was being bullied, like a lot of children are being bullied. And so I said to myself, what can I do as a mom to help my son? And then I wrote a book, A Little Different, All Perfect, and it won San Francisco Book Festival. It was then that I discovered that I needed to help the world find a solution to the problem of bullying. And if whatever I could do to help children, teachers, parents, then I wanted to do that to help kids. Bullying is absolutely something that blows you away, because 160,000 children every day does not go to school because they're being bullied. We need to make a change. We need to stick together as parents, as teachers, and try to make a change on this subject. It's been an amazing learning experience for me. It has been actually a gift to be able to take what I learned when I was a child from my parents and be able to utilize that later on in helping others.